everybody, today in this video we're going to be growing some garlic in a pot. So I've already done it at the allotment already, on the ground, but not everybody have space to be able to do it like that. So I'm going to show today how we're going to be doing it in a pot like this. Alright guys, so hang around and see how we do that. Yeah. Alright, so I've got these 2 cloves here that I did grow last year from my own garlic stock. So I'm going to be using these today, guys. So the first step is to try to get the cloves away from the bulb. You're trying to find kind of like, the biggest garlic, within the bulb. Right, so I would say these guys here qualify. They're the biggest ones there. All right. So basically, guys, so what you're doing here now, you remember when you're planting your garlic, you want this blunt part facing down towards the soil, and this pointy bit here, you want it going upwards, right? Now, the best distance you can find with garlic when you put it in the ground is to use this finger here, and just go down the distance of the finger, right? And push your garlic down. Alright, so you're going like this, and you're pushing it down. Just below the surface, just like that. Alright, so we're going to repeat that again. Push the finger, garlic, right end, facing down, go down. So that's roughly about, I'd say, about 3 inches down. All we're doing, just repeat the process. Alright guys, so as you can see, I leave it just like this, right? And then next important part is to give it some water. As you put the water on, it literally covers the garlic. Alright guys, so I would say, to me that's the most simplest way, easiest way you could grow your garlic. You know what I mean? You don't need no big extended spaces. And remember, each clove that you put in there is going to give you a bulb. Yeah, so you are going to multiply on your garlic. Over time, you're going to give it a bit of natural organic fertilizer, right? You're going to make sure that it's growing well, keep the soil moist. Yeah, don't let it get extra dry never. Just always keep it moist. And then you'll see yourself having some nice garlic within 8 to 9 months, guys. So on that, I say live well, and together we grow, guys. Bless up.